Welcome to Jewel of the Seas. We're on a special balcony. It's an aft balcony. Let's show you our little corner of our own. In the way back, turn a corner down our own hallway, and we come to cabin 7172. Let's go inside. Our very own aft balcony. And let's just start off to say that this is our anniversary cruise, so you'll see throughout here we have decorated it with some anniversary decorations, and we've had a wonderful time. But let's get right to the tour, so come over here. When you walk in, you'll see we've got two places to hang up our robes, and of course the temperature control for warm or full air conditioning. And over here we have the bathroom. As you can imagine, as a 2004 vintage ship, it's a little dated and also a little small in the bathroom. So let's go take a look. I'll go in first. Is a little tight, but very functional. You've got the flush here and towels all around. And then over here you do have closed storage, which we love. So we can hide away our toiletries and not have it messy. The sink is functional, but we will say there's a little bit of a drip. And again, being 21 years old, 22 years old, we do expect some of these things, but we do want to keep it real and just point everything out. Down below is the shelf below. You have garbage here, and I have my toiletry bag here and some supplies for the bathroom. Okay, we have our famous Royal Caribbean cylinder shower. As we open it up, you'll see it's the basic shower that does go up and down, and you can take the shower head off, and your hot and cold controls along with your turn on, turn off over there. And what's nice for us now that we've hit a certain loyalty level, they do have the 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 for everyone, but now they also give us the unique 3 bottles with our loyalty level. So we'll take advantage, or we have taken advantage of the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash from Salt Plus Breeze. In addition, you'll see we have a clothesline, which we really do like. Clothes just dry faster on a clothesline than the newer ships when they give you some pegs to kind of drape the wet clothes on. So all told, again, this bathroom is pretty small. It doesn't have a little place to, if you need to put a leg up, for the ladies to shave or for us guys to clean our legs. But it is what it is. All right, we'll keep that open. And on the way out, you can see some pegs to hold up some of the clothes that we need to air out or dry out to over here. All right. Before we get to the fun stuff, such as the aft balcony, we do want to talk about the closet space, which again isn't gigantic but ample for us. So I think if you're cruising in this room, you're not going to be short of space. Okay, on this side you'll find some hang-up clothes, and this has kind of been my side with my shoes over there. And then starting over here, you have a shelf up here that kind of goes the width of the closet, although we are sharing space with some very important safety equipment there. Now if we open up the other side, you'll see that Crystal has her side over there, and we have these cubbies. And this really holds a lot of room, and holy cow, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubbies, including some floor space. So maybe not the biggest in the world, but we have really had plenty of space in this closet. Oh, and just to make a full note of it, we have a tie bar here, and although we have never used it, If you need more hang-up space, you do have a second bar over there that you can pull down and hang up additional clothes. All right, as we walk further into the room, we have our desk and vanity area. Some interesting storage solutions. Very small shelves on either side of the vanity mirror over there, which we've used a little bit, but not extensively. And then over here, I'll move this away, on top of the vanity, you'll see that we've got some plugs here, an American plug here, a second American plug, and then a European plug over here. This light is the vanity light, which is, helpful when getting ready. So there is actually a good amount of space, and if you do need more space, at least for the countertop here, they do create this shelf over here where you can put things on. If you're using it as a desk, this could be very helpful. And then you probably can see we have our 3 drawers going down over here, and another 3 drawers over here for additional space, whether that's clothing or any other accessories that you may want or need to place, in drawers. And since this is also a working desk, you also have a drawer over here, which is right tucked in behind the chair. Over here is our refrigerator / cooler. Again, keeping it real, this is probably the least cool refrigerator that we have had in the last few years. It's okay, it keeps it a little chilled, but it's close to being almost room temperature. It just puts a little chill on our drinks. All right. TV is here, suitable, and it does swing to the bed or over to the sofa that we'll take a look in a moment. And over here is turned into kind of our tech closet. So you'll see tech on these 2 shelves, and then of course the safe that comes in every room right there. All right, I mentioned the couch, the sofa. As far as we can tell, this is a 2-person room. This sofa does not open up. And that's kind of nice, because I find that the sofas that don't open up are much more comfortable than the convertible sofas. So this is a nice large one with a small coffee table and very comfortable. Okay. Now, as we go to the bed, it's the typical royal bed that you can separate or put together to make a king-size bed. And we also over here, get out of the way, also over here is our nightstand. Now this is a plus and a minus. We do love having drawers to put stuff away, but this kind of shows you what happens when you're in a ship that is 20 plus years old. You can see the varnish wearing off, and actually it's kind of in rough shape compared to newer staterooms that we've been in. It's functional, but we just trying to keep it real and show you how the room is showing its age in spots. Okay, let's continue. Got the sconces over here. We have our control for the room lights. And this switch is non-functioning, but both Crystal and I think it's this light controls this light, which is not working. And talking about lights, I do want to mention one other thing that is not terrific, is that this room does not have a nightlight in the bathroom. So when we have the curtains closed in the middle of the night, you're definitely feeling around to get to the bathroom and inside the bathroom, because it's just really dark. So we miss having that Royal Caribbean nightlight that they've been installing on different ships. Okay, let's finish up with the wow factor over here. Well, you can see some of our hooks that we've put on ourselves, which come in really handy and are super strong. We brought our binoculars, again with our hooks, some more decorations. But before I go, outside, we have the nightstand on this side, along with the sconce and the reading light. That is on both. And then check this out. This may be worth the whole price of admission into this cabin. Let's go outside. I can't speak for everyone, but aft balconies, for me, for us, are just the most amazing experience. This one is not the largest aft balcony, but you have 2 full lounge chairs over here that allow us to lay out, and we can just watch the lake go by. It's every time we're on the ocean. Even when we're in port, the views are spectacular. Now, I will say, as we pan over here, it's a corner balcony, like a corner of our own. They chock full this balcony with furniture. So if you don't want the loungers, you can move them over to the side and just have 2 chairs. But we definitely like the loungers, and we have 1 chair available too. So it's truly one step up from a lot of our side balconies, and really, as I mentioned it, really worth trying to find a good price for an aft balcony. And one more thing. We've had tremendous service on this ship, including our stateroom attendant, Daisy.
Yeah.
I will ask to all my friends in Philippines to support this YouTube channel, Cruising with Crystal and Marshall.
Thank you.
Please guys, subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and let us know if you like aft balcony cabins as much as we do.